There are numerous advantages to remote work for both employers and employees. Employers benefit from reduced costs associated with IT devices and the office. They can expect well-rested and more efficient employees. Furthermore, in the current pandemic situation, physical contact between employees can be avoided. On the contrary, there are many challenges with regard to remote work, such as home internet becoming a single point of failure. There will be problems with time and work management. There will also be technical challenges, cybersecurity challenges, communication challenges, and support challenges. Some specific technical challenges include whether or not you have sufficient bandwidth, whether or not you can provide secure access, whether or not you have sufficient licenses for your various solutions. Moving on to cybersecurity related challenges, where your perimeter security starts and ends becomes obscure. In certain cases, existing firewalls, IDS, IPS, and DLP solutions become obsolete. Managing user endpoints becomes substantially more difficult as there is no control over what content is accessed, because the same device is used for business and personal purposes. There are less options to discipline employees, and in case of an incident, there are less options for investigating and remediating. In order to reduce the cybersecurity risk associated with remote work, we offer a home office SOC, which is a solution that replaces or complements your endpoint protection software. It utilizes customized use cases and playbooks. It is agent-based and as such works in the background with a minimal footprint. It extends organizations' threat hunting capabilities. We also offer a home office SOC as a service with a fixed monthly fee. There are some prerequisites, such as a SIEM system, such as QRadar or Splunk. The possibility to install agents on the desired endpoints is also required. The devices need to be SSL or IPsec VPN capable. It is also recommended to use Active Directory or another logging capable AAA system. It is also possible to utilize the logs of existing endpoint protection solutions. Let's take a look at a short demo of the home office SOC. For our demo, we'll be using Splunk as our SIEM of choice. Here we can see our example custom dashboard, which displays information collected from endpoints relating to cybersecurity. This helps us get an overview of our cybersecurity posture. On our example dashboard, we can see public IP address changes, information relating to user activity, information about process creations, top DNS queries, and registry changes. Now let's look at an example where a malicious email was delivered to an endpoint. The email contains a ransomware attachment that is opened. When the attachment has been executed, we can see all the files being encrypted. And when the encryption is done, we can see a warning message about all our files being encrypted. Now if we open Splunk, we can see an alert about a malicious file, which we can drill down into to see more information. We can also see another alert that contains information about a process that has indicators of ransomware. Clicking on the name of the host will show us more information about said host, such as network adapter information, user login activity, user activity, and IP address information. In another demo, a malicious website is accessed, malware is downloaded and executed. Once our malware has run, we can scroll down on our main dashboard and we'll see information about a malicious file. Moving back to our alerts, we can also see that we have received one about said malicious file. Clicking on the file hash will show us more information on VirusTotal. If we refresh our alerts, we can see that a number of malicious DNS query alerts have also appeared. These are all relating to the malicious website that were visited. Clicking on the query name will show us additional information in IBM X-Force Exchange. The process of implementing the Home Office SOC is as follows: a survey of existing infrastructure, creation of custom use cases and playbooks, the creation of the VPN, installing the agents on the endpoints, inspection of the potential log sources, creation of parsing rules, implementation of use cases, handover of the Home Office SOC, and then finally optional monitoring, alerting, and false positive tuning. The advantages of our Home Office SOC include increased productivity, effective endpoint protection, transparency beyond your network perimeter, improving incident detection and reaction capabilities. It is also open source and as such it is freely modifiable. For more information visit www.blackcell.io. Thank you for your attention.